Summer evening, cherry blossoms, fireflies, fireworks together. The sun goes down, the sky turns gold. A gentle story still unfolds. Every lantern starts to shine, your hand resting close to mine. Warm July across the breeze, music dancing through the trees. Every heartbeat feels so bright, like the stars awake tonight. Lift your eyes, the colors bloom, painting dreams across the moon. Every spark begins to fly, lighting up the midnight sky. The midnight sky. Fireworks inside our hearts, every ending, every start. Cherry blossom floating free, you're the light I always see. Tonight, holding hope and holding light, hand in hand, we'll always be writing our own harmony. Soft and clear, every season brings us here. Rosie fuel after dark, watching colors leave their mark. Petals drifting through the glow, tiny wishes float below. Every memory shining bright like fireworks across the night. Some see colors fade away, we see moments here to stay. Every spark may softly fall,